I bet you're wondering about the time Gordon Ramsay came to Geneva College. Well, grab a seat next to your loved ones, pour yourself a nice cup of coffee, and buckle in. Because this story, it's a doozy.
I'm sorry, babe. I can't hang out tonight. I've got to write a humanities paper. Well, you know, I have Dr. Fraser. He's a really hard grader.
Hey, you!
Oh, I'm sorry, babe. I'll talk to you later. Yeah?
Where you going?
Chapel?
Gordon Ramsay is coming to Geneva College!
Really?
Hey, wait! You've been scammed.
I can tell you're a big fan. Don't make fan.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left.
Chef, why don't you introduce yourselves?
My name is Alex, and I'm the boss. Needless to say, my competition does not stand a chance. My favorite food is gabagool, which I will be making for Gordon today. Even though I know we don't have the right ingredients.
I am a perfectionist, which is why I'll be making Gordon the perfect meal. You know, Chopped, I've seen every episode twice. My meal will make him so happy that his British taste buds will be singing Psalm 117b.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm just kind of here for the cash prize. I work the overnight shift at McDonald's and I don't want to go back to McHeck anymore, so I'm gonna make Gordon Ramsay some food that's McFrickin' slapping. You know, people are so rude there overnight. I can't stand that McHeck hole. You know, a guy complained last night because there was a bone in his burger or something. Like, what a jerk, he even punched me in the face.
I'm Gordon Ramsay, and today you have 5 minutes to make me the meal I'll never forget. I said charcoal this morning at the hotel, so it makes it better than that, and yeah. Who's your fat practice? Go, 5 minutes. Come on.
Yes, let's go. I knew they had Dr. Pepper here.
I know how your meal's gonna work out, yeah?
We'll see about that.
Just like my grandmama used to make. Some people smoke jewels, others eat gabagool.
This is gonna work great as a roux to my stew.
Man, what are you doing? You idiot! Not too much cheese in your bendingly ball, not that much cheese there, yeah? Oh, piss off, will you? Get on!
Alex will be serving you first.
Oh, good. Took you bloody long enough. Well, get in here. What are you waiting for? You stand here all day. Here you are, chef. Oh, perfect. Good start. Sandwich. Looks all right, yeah? What you put in this? Chicken tenders? What is this?
It's gabagool.
Wow. You know what, chef? You surprised me. I'm really impressed by you, chef.
Thank you, chef.
I'm surprised how trash you are. Yeah, you ever seen cat litter before? So it looks like, yeah. And have you ever seen a cat take a dump beer in a little box? That's what it looks like.
Me, yeah.
Hey, you're a great talker. You're a terrible cook, yeah? Get him out of here. Piss off. Go on with you. You're done with the show. Tired of you. Take this away from me too, mate.
He disrespects my grandmama's recipe. He knows nothing about Geneva culture. Britain, more like shit.
Chef Ramsay. Up next we have Chef Grant presenting his dish.
Next bloody customer, get in here, boy.
Well, if you're looking for a delectable feast, look no further. My great-great-granddaddy Augustine passed on this beautiful recipe to me.
Oh, it's you, the cheese man.
Yeah.
When I tell you about putting this cheese in here, you know, it makes it all taste the same, because it's all cheese, you know? You've heard of that? Anyway, you're an idiot, but that's fine. Maybe your food's good, I don't know. You son of a... Where'd you get your water from, huh? Did you boil it with water that's contaminated from the Beaver River? Where'd you get it from? Huh?
Chef,
Bloody Americans.
please forgive me.
Go to chapel, piss off, and get him out of here.
I don't.
Chef Ramsey, up next is Chef Abe presenting his dish.
Oh. I didn't sit around before he's about to give me his food. Very professional, you fool. Oh.
Don't worry, it's McBussin.
Bad. I don't think Americans had this in there. Appearance is way better. Well, it's adequate at that, I'll give it to you. I think you'd be learning how to make this off of social media. It looks like you did alright. Yeah.
Thank you, Chef.
But I'm still not going to eat the rest of this, though.
Thank you, Chef. In your face! Woo! Told you I'd win, baby! That was McSlappin'!
Yeah, to be honest, I didn't expect much from this place at Beaver Falls, Geneva College, whatever, I've never heard of it, but they told me the call to get out here, paid the big bucks for me, and yeah, they'd social media kids did pretty well. Some kid people don't listen here, but that's just normal. But nobody uses lamb sauce, you know, so we'll see what they do at the brig, see if they got anything better, so yeah.
Blooming under sable skies. Brigadoon, Brigadoon, bear my heart forever.
Okay, gentlemen, here's the deal. Been here bloody long enough. You have 5 minutes to making something. It's gonna be better than Alex's, yeah? And I've got to leave soon, here soon, go back to Alex's kitchen and destroy more chef's lives like yourselves, so make it good, yeah? Come on.
Hey! I'm Greg! I've been going to a church downtown called Soma for about 3 months now. They have donuts and pastries every Sunday morning, and you know what? I would really like to recreate some. So today, I'll be recreating some for Chef Gordon Ramsay using materials in the brig. Chick-fil-A Day, anyone?
Actually, I started working here, but I guess I forgot that fell out my form. They still think I work here though, so I put on my apron, I come in, I just fill up with as much Coke Zero as I want. It's amazing.
Hey, I'm Jim, but most people call me Brigadude. I've owned this fine restaurant for about 3 years. I watch the seasons come and go on the hillside. It's beautiful. Let me tell you something that's not beautiful. There's this guy who comes here every day just to drink our Coke Zero. One time we were out of cups, so he literally went back to the kitchen, grabbed a huge pot, filled it up with Coke Zero, and took it to his table.
And what are you making today?
Host, today I'm making a Soma donuts. This, hopefully, will make me feel so young.
Interesting. Hello, Jim. What are you making here?
I'm making my spaghetti penne ravioli alfredo. You know that movie about the rat who works his way up from the kitchen to serve food critics? Yeah. That's like me, except I forgot to wash my hands before I started.
Okay.
I must try this in private.
Oh, shit!
5 seconds left, chefs.
Alright, you morons ready? Good. You got it, yeah?
I made you a face, chef, out of a face. I hope it does not efface your taste buds.
You moron, looks like something Tiger Woods would tee off with. Rubber! Okay, what do you have? Nothing, you go. Piss off with you, go home. Oh, looks like something my mother would make. It's actually not bad. I'm excited. I'm tempted to yell at you, but that's actually pretty good. Standards are low, considering this is Geneva College, but besides that, not bad, actually. Pat on the back.
Chef, I've made for you something better than Coke Zero. I've made it into Coke 1. Here you are. I passed it on, so use this.
Bloody idiot. Well, as per usual, those goblins weren't able to come up with anything worthwhile, so I'm just going to take this plane and get out of here.
Chef, I swear on all things reformed, you will truly rue this day.
Get off! Go off to Switzerland with you, bloody John Calvin.
Well, Chef, if these Gordon tornadoes haven't suited your taste, there's a donut place downtown that has good cinnamons.
Guess we'll have to do it then. Come on, last stop. Putting me through hell again with this American food, and we'll see how this goes. Why is it so bloody big? When this absolutely atrocious piece of trash came out of the garbage bin, I had no expectations, but inside of it, well, that's where the real surprise was. As if sunshine on a cloudy day, the morsel of deliciously soft and delicate food that I've not tasted in ages just appeared to me and blessed my tongue with the most sumptuous taste, as if an angel was cuddled in a cocoon of cloud candy. I tell you what are my bread and beaver my falls. I'm leaving England for good. Bloody idiot.
Les rêves des amoureux sont comme le bon vin. Ils donnent de la joie ou bien du chagrin. Affaibli par la faim, je